Hello students, welcome to you all to this new video series on set theory. From today I want to start a new chapter, that is set theory of your syllabus, and today is the first video. So actually set theory বহুখিনি পাইছাই already, তথাপিতো যেহেতুকে syllabusত দিয়া আছে syllabus মতে যিখিনি লাগে, so I will discuss only those topics. So let's jump in and get started. So actually in computer science, set theory is widely used in case of data structure. So data structure should be thought of as implementation of sets with particular focus on efficient implementation of set operations. In case of database theory also, the notion of relational database is that of seeing a database as a relation over sets. And in case of programming language, semantic domains are sets with structure, and algorithms for solving set constraints are useful. In example, the study of type of inference for programming languages, this set theory are widely used. Again, in case of formal language also, a language is a set of strings, and the study of operations on languages is the central part. So hence this set theory has very importance in case of computer science also. So তোমালোকে already পাইছা বা already জানাই বা নাজানিলেও কথা নাই, যিখিনি লাগে ইয়াতে as per syllabus মই এইখিনি. First we will see the definition. So a set is an unordered collection of different elements. And it is written within the curly bracket. Okay, so those list of elements are written within that curly bracket. If the order of the elements is changed, or any element of a set is repeated, it doesn't make any changes in the set. Some popular example of sets are a set of all positive integers, a set of all the planets in the solar system, a set of all the states in India. Similarly, a set of all the students of PDV Amjonga, a set of all the boys in BSc second semester. So like that. So these are some examples of sets. Now, how a set can be represented? So a set can be represented in two ways. First one is roster or tabular form. And the next one is set builder form. So in tabular form or roster form, a set is represented by this way, like this. Say a set of all vowels. Set of vowels in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O. So this is represented in a roster form in this way. ঠিক আছে, roster formত এনেকে element বিলাক curly bracketৰ ভিতৰত লিখি এনেকে represent কৰা যায়. তেনেকে example to চোৱা, set of odd numbers less than 10. So কি হ'ব, 1 3 5 7 9 এনেকে curly bracketৰ ভিতৰত লিখা যাব. So এটু কোৱা হয় roster formত লিখা বুলি. Next one to হৈছে set builder notation. Set builder notationত কি কৰা হয়? It is defined by specifying a property that elements of the set have in common. The set is described as A is equal to X such that Px. So in case of set builder form, the representation is this. For example, the set A, E, I, O, U is written as A, capital A, the set capital A is equal to X such that X is vowel in English alphabet. Here this A, E, I, O, U is written twice by mistake. Okay, so you write only once. Okay, so the set A where A is equal to A, E, I, O, U can be written in set builder form like this way. A is equal to X. X is a vowel in English alphabet. So this representation is known as set builder representation. Clear? Similarly, you can see the example number 2. The set 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That means the set that we have already written here, that is the B set of odd numbers less than 10, can be written in set builder form like this. B is equal to X such that X is less than 10 and greater than equal 1, and X is not divisible by 2. Okay, so this is the concept of set builder notation. So mainly these are the two types of notations we will use. Now you can see some important sets. So and actually তোমালোকে কিতাপত পাই থাকিবা এইবিলাক কিছুমান নোটেশন, এইবিলাক সেটৰ নাম তোমালোকে পাই থাকিবা কিতাপত। ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট বা পপুলাৰ সেটস, এই যদি ক্যাপিটাল N to থাকে, this capital N is the set of natural numbers. Z is the set of all integers. Z plus যদি থাকে, set of all positive integers. Capital Q, the set of all rational numbers. R, the set of all real numbers. W, the set of all whole numbers. Okay, so setor কথা আমি আৰু বিভিন্ন কথাই আমি শিকিব পাৰো, কিন্তু তোমালোকক সিলেবাস মতে যিখিনি বস্তু দিয়া আছে সেইখিনি কথা আমি বেসিক্যালি আজি বেসিক কনসেপ্টস খিনি আমি শিকি আছো। ঠিক আছে, so now the types of sets. So sets can be classified into many types. Sets can be classified into many types like finite, infinite, subset, universal set, proper set, singleton set, etc. So first you will see finite set. So a set which contains a finite number of elements. Finite number of elements is called a finite set. For example, the set X is equal to X such that X belongs to the natural number n. X belongs to the set of natural number n, and X is greater than 50 and less than 70. 50 আৰু 70 মাজত থকা natural number বিলাকৰ যেটো set এটো এটা finite set. Infinite setত কি থাকিব? Infinite number of elements থাকিব. For example, এইবিলাক natural number যিবিলাক 10তকৈ ডাঙৰ, এটো আমাৰ infinite. So এইটো set হ'ব আমাৰ infinite set. Clear? Next, subset. A set X is a subset of Y and written as X subset of Y. Here Y should come. X subset of Y if every element of X is an element of Y. For example, let X is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and Y is equal to 1, 2. Here Y is a subset of X, as all the elements of Y is in X. Hence we can write Y is a subset of X. Next, proper subset. The term proper subset can be defined as a subset of but not equal to. Yet a subset কি আছিল? Equal to হ'ব পাৰে, কিন্তু ইয়াতে equal to হ'ব নোৱাৰে। এটা set and সেইটো সেটৰ equal হ'ব নোৱাৰে। কিন্তু ইয়াতে সাবসেট হ'ব লাগিব অকল so a set x is a proper subset of y written as x subset y if every element of x is an element of set y and cardinality of x is less than cardinality of y. For example, let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and y is equal to 1, 2. Here y is a proper subset of x since all elements in y are contained in x2 and x has at least one element is more than y. x ত এটা হলেও y কে বেছি এলিমেন্ট থাকিব লাগিব proper subset হ'ব লাগিব ঠিক আছে ইয়াতো এটো proper subset হৈ আছে কিন্তু এটো proper subset হলেও এটো এটা subset proper subset is also a subset but every subset is not a proper subset ঠিক আছে তার মানে কি x2 x নিজে এটা subset of x x is itself a subset of x but x itself is not a proper subset of x clear next universal set very important set so universal set is a collection of all elements in a particular context or application all the sets in that context or applications are essentially subsets of this universal set universal sets are denoted as capital U. For example, we define U as the set of all animals on the earth. So the set of all animals in the earth we can say as a universal set. In this case, the set of all mammals is a subset of U. Set of all fishes is a subset of that universal set U. Similarly, the set of all insects of a subset of U, set of all cows, set of all dogs, set of all deers, set of all rabbits, all these are the subsets of this universal set U. Clear? Then empty set or null set. An empty set contains no elements. So it is denoted as phi. So as the number of elements in an empty set is finite, empty set is also a finite set. The cardinality of empty set or null set is 0. Clear? For example, elements between 7 and 8, that means a natural number between 7 and 8 is nil. So the set that contains the elements less than 8 and greater than 7 is an empty set. Clear? Okay. Next, power set. Very important set. The power set of a set S is the set of all subsets of S including the empty set. The cardinality of a power set of a set S is 2 to the power n. The power set is denoted as capital P of S. So power set mane ki eta set S or power set mane ki buja jabo all subsets the set of all subsets including empty set aru hei set tu nijei jiman subset ase eta setor mane empty set aru universal set tu ধৰি পেলাই এইখিনি গোটেইখিনিকে পাৱাৰ সেট বুলি কোৱা হ'ব আৰু পাৱাৰ সেট এটাৰ কাৰ্ডিনেলিটি কিমান হ'ব এটা সেট S ৰ যদি কাৰ্ডিনেলিটি n হয় তাৰ পাৱাৰ সেটৰ কাৰ্ডিনেলিটি হ'ব 2 টু দি পাৱাৰ n তাৰ মানে এটা সেটত যদি তিনটা এলিমেন্ট থাকে তাৰ পাৱাৰ সেটৰ কিমান এলিমেন্ট থাকিব 2 টু দি পাৱাৰ 3 তাৰ মানে 8টা এলিমেন্ট থাকিব এটা সেটত যদি 4টা এলিমেন্ট থাকে পাৱাৰ সেটত 2 টু দি পাৱাৰ 4 মানে 16টা এলিমেন্ট থাকিব তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা ফৰ এক্সাম্পল take an example এইটো সেটত চাৰিটা এলিমেন্ট আছে a b c d সো এইটো সেটৰ সাবসেট বিলাক কোনবিলাক হ'ব এটা হ'ব এম্পটি সেটটো এটা হ'ব এটা এলিমেন্ট থাকা কিছুমান সাবসেট হ'ব a b c d এইবিলাক এটা এলিমেন্ট থাকা সাবসেট দুটা এলিমেন্ট থাকা সাবসেট এইটা হ'ব a b a c a d b c b d c d এইটা দুটা এলিমেন্ট থাকা সাবসেট হ'ব তিনটা এলিমেন্ট সাবসেট হ'ব এইটা এনেকৈ চাৰিটা এলিমেন্ট থাকা সাবসেট এই সেটটো নিজেই S itself is the subset of S. So hence power set to ki hobo ei set S tur power set ki hobo ei gotei bilak subset log lagi jitu set hobo etue hobo power set clear ei gotei bilak subset ei set S tur gotei bilak subset log lagi jitu set hobo etue hobo ei set tur power set aru iar jitu cardinality etu ei khetrot kiman hobo 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 clear and remember the power set of an empty set is also an empty set so these are the basic concepts that you require as per your syllabus so that's all for today in the next video we will discuss relation. So thank you for watching.